Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to point out some things that people have been saying that I don't really like. It's not good for you to say some kind of things. My friend here, I was showing him on the social network, Nedu, Sister Getty, the only male, female we have in Nigeria. You're confused about your gender. We see you online, you're doing good. And if you go offline, they thunder. Now I know you're not used to modern facilities, neither are you used to geography. Thunder cannot fire anybody. It's lightning. If you want to say something, think about it. Thunder is the sound. Lightning is the fire. The lightning will go fire you. Can you imagine? A lot of people have come, okay, in morning, this table has been the center of attraction. You know, because of that, I'm moving to this side. This is a better table. Let me come back to this table. I don't trust that guy. Mike Ezuranye, Brother Jehu, wonderful guy. This guy is the guy that taught me damn. How to dance damn. Why are you shocked? I will lie against you. I will. And I will not tell them that I'm lying against you. I'll just go ahead and lie. Somebody actually came here and was telling you it's a way of smelling armpits. No. You know, Nigerian dance step has actually been, all our dance steps have origin. All of them have a place they're coming from. Atlanta, we know where it came from. Madness, Yaba left, when you go there, they dance it naturally. Shoki, person with bad leg, one bad eye, begging money along the road. Please give me money. Please give me money. The person starts moving and it's like, please, I beg you. I'll see my leg, my eye, my eye. Simple. We know that. Even second, somebody with one bad leg, you know this kind of military men that go for war, come back, they shot their kneecap. The man check, no money, no ATM. They brought the bill as they're bringing the POS, telling you have to pay. How much is it? 100,000. Me. Paid money. I mean, drink, 100,000 here. How? It's not possible. He shaken out of the place. Even this other one, Davido, what do you call this dance step again? Skelewu, it was one man. You know, when you go into the club, some people carry body odor. They dance and they want to come and hug you, hold you while dancing. You are dancing away. The dancer and the dancee is coming with full body odor. The dancer is going back. He said, wait, this thing that you're doing, I don't like it. Wait, don't come close. That is simple. It was what happened to him. You know, sometimes when you're an entertainer, people come and hug you anyhow in the club. You don't know where armpits touch on your body, and there's something smelling. Something will be smelling. Play any damn song. Let me show you. I'll show you where it came from and where I think it is going to.
Anybody? Where now?
Not that time. I don't live in that area. Come on. We're on the island, my brother. Play Alhaji Wisely. It's a better than this thing. Though that song I confused. What's that sound in the song? Sound like mess. Just play it.
Tiny Entertainment, baby.
they were doing the song, something passed near one mic. And it's good, they treat her blues. But anyhow, that music, that dance step, very simple. Look for what is smelling. You will dab without knowing. Play it. Then where I think this dance step is going to, from smelling this area, it will progress. You know, we take things further. Anyhow. I know what I'm talking about. Honestly, I keep talking about everybody will come and hear our brother here, but I think I need to keep saying this so that people will understand. Before you dance in Nigerian music, listen to the lyrics. So many girls disappear nowadays. We look for them, we don't find them. They say it's ritualist. No! What you dance and accept while you're singing, it can affect you. That song, no be you, I carry come, but now you, I go carry go. You'll be kidnapped, believe me. Someone that didn't bring you and the person takes you, that is kidnapped. Let me tell you, I was talking the other day about our brother. He sponsors some people. Yeah, somehow. He sponsored them. That was the other administration. We are looking for who we have this administration. But he sponsored them. They did a beautiful song. Which man? He has children. He can't be with kids. Which man sang a song? He said it's Pullover. Pullover is a song that the meaning can never follow normal. Think about it. Back, baby, pull over. Baby, pull over. The girl will back. Am I correct? Reverse after packing. Baby, pull over. Baby, pull over. Show me your particulars while reversing. Baby, pull over. Inner light. While reversing and bringing your particulars, trailer will jump in here. But to me, it's very simple what I know this guy did. Play that song. Just watch this and tell me if I'm wrong. Thank you. Come on. Pull up. All right.
Bena. Father. So resemble person good. As I come, if I see how many girls just do me, Patriarchy! I say, come on, hold that day, man. We die here. You say that the Baba here, if you change different Baba, me Baba here, you go to resemble different people every day. With different Baba, if you resemble Mandela today, the bench, if you resemble mechanic, well done, sir. Well done, sir. Love your suit. This Lagos and a package go keep people. You know, say that this Lagos you see person get 32 suits, 15 tie, 12 briefcase, no office. All of them are scam. I they watch NTA yesterday. They say 2,000 people die for Korea. What to kill them? They say now water carry them. 4,000 die. for India. What happen? They say water disaster. Now this Lagos will go there one day. We just say 300 people die. We kill them. Packaging. Those your package die. This Lagos, everything do too much. Everything. I'm back on. We ask up. Everybody lie down. We say no food. Everything hard. Then I'm back on. Look us. He say now wow. Boy, they suffer also. You know here we take trek find on a con here. And some people, anything they watch for film, now they go they do. 2 Benin boys watch Oyibo film, American movie, 3 armed robbers, they go rob. As they enter the bank, they say, goddamn man, where's the goddamn money, the goddamn bank, man? Cause he cashier away, get mind. He see gone. Say, man, I got no money here, man. He say, you want to try me? Wash me. Out of 3 of your friends, Nike 1. Pow! So you see that? If I can kill my guy, man, I'm gonna kill someone here tonight, man. The cashier say, you're right, man. Take the money, man. The 2 worry boys, Osaro. He say, oh boy, this thing they work. Oh. The next day they go rob Okadama with all the work since morning. Because they cram what he did the movie as they enter Okadama house. Babe, here's the goddamn money, the goddamn bank, man. For 1 room. Now the Okadama say, man, I got no money here, man. He say, you want to try me? Wash me. Out of his 3 friends. Now he shoot his friend leg. Pow! He say, you see that? They don't know say the Okada man this season 2 of that movie where they wash. Now the Okada man laugh. He say, hey, my brother, that's it the back. Oh. If you want the money, you need to kill the person collectible. He say, you want to try me? Wash me. As he go face the friend don't use gun the face. I say, if you try, we'll go shoot you. You dey crazy. Not before we wash. This person and comedy job now. Comedy not easy. Oh. They call me for one event for Bayelsa the other day. This memory card I say yes. How much? I tell them they pay. As I reach there, now they tell me say na militant they do show. They say they give you the rules. I say which rules? They say you crack one joke, enough funny, we shoot gun. As I enter stage, I talk 1, they shoot. Talk 2, they shoot. I say they're serious. So anything for my maths now I go talk. One thing just come and talk. I know say not be joke, they not shoot, they're quiet. I say hey, they walk. I talk another one, they not shoot, they're quiet. I say they walk. As I want to talk, the 3rd one small boy just tap my leg. Bros, what did they tell you before you come? I said, they say if I crack joke enough funny, they go shoot. He said, very good. This is the way you talk just now for your ear. It's funny. I said, I try small. He said, they not shoot gun. I said, I surprise you. And you not run? I said, why go wrong with they not shoot gun? He said, look your front. I said, what it be that? He said, climb, make you look. I call climb, look. He said, you see that red light? I said, what it be that? He said, now bomb. I won't bomb you. Thank you. Fine children as your boss. How they carry the come event. How are you? Are you okay? Can I show the face? How they big? Check the age 13, 12, 11, and they big. You know, say poor man picking. You see person small like me, 42 years. When I'm small like this, who born me? The only occasion where they go now all night and burial. We not even know die. I go Benin 2 weeks ago when I come for Benin, some set of army bus or our motor. Everybody park. Now we park. They rob everybody for the bus. As they rob us finish, they just look me. Now you stand up. I stood up. They say naked. After robbing, I said, what's happened now? They just shoot. Boom! I said, Jesus. I just, you know, one get there near me and they toast the girl since for Benin rich or she not grill. As they say, where you stand up? That one stand up. They say, nah. Naked. She said, like, seriously, yeah, in public. They just shoot twice. I don't naked now. They say, now position, you know. She call Benda with the boss, you know. Innocently. For where I stand. And they look me. Now you enter. I say, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This country is moving forward, man. I pay God is good. 3K. They do bonanza for road. Wow. I don't know when I ask the guy, I say, my brother, if you get your complimentary card, I beg. So that if I they call me, get my corner. One guy they corner, they never call him. They say stand up, they never tell her anything. Don't naked, they jog. One whole do my way, they like 82, 83. They say, Mama, I say, stand up. The do my stood up. Mama, hey, Mama, Now they look at now you enter. Say, I'm over kilo day. When I won't kill me, we're going, I don't kill me. Take this. Lastly, before I leave, But I don't say Nigeria police. I better clap for our Nigeria police first. No, I just clap. I'll tell you now why. Yeah, very good, very good. Nigeria police, not the only police where they live long. You know why? They know they die. They know get sense. American police where they go war, you see commandant go take back because they give order. If they hear gun and bomb, Inspector James. Yes, sir. It's like the killing over there. Yes, sir. Go check it out. Yes, sir. That one go. They go kill him. Toe. He don't die. Commandant no say he don't die. He go call another one. Inspector Philip. That one go say, sir. It's like that guy is down. He go say, yes, sir. Go check it out. Yes, sir. He go. They go kill him. Toe. Those ones no say he don't die. You go see they make order. Inspector Tune. Go check it out. Niger police for what? For Aja police station and Aja boys get problem. DPO dey back, you know say that they get belly, big belly. DPO dey back, they give order. You know the shuttle. Inspector, they decide. Now they shout my name. If they hear voice, they go shoot. Now come here again, I beg. Now the DPO look and say that one stop, but now I call the other one. Inspector John, another one day, sir. He said, go check it out. Eh? He said, go check it out. Check what, sir? He said, can't you hear that shooting? He said, oh God, the way you take the year now, take the year too. He said, do you know I can sack you? He said, okay, if you sack me, I go sack myself. As he did that place, the guy will just hear two. As he hear another gunshot, two. Go down. Retreat. Maybe he call you another gunshot again. Dead! And the joke be that. Thank you very much. That's my time. Remember that, my love.
You see?